So we learned about the expressions. What do we mean by an expression? Now let us look at the types of expressions. Okay, now the classification of expressions that we are doing over here is depending on the number of terms in the expression. Okay, so that is the key criteria that we are looking at for classifying the expression. So we are looking at the number of terms. Okay, now let's start with the first and the simplest type of expression known as monomial. So mono means one, and essentially a monomial is an expression that has just one term. Some examples here. So 4x squared is one single term, 3xy again is a single term. So these are examples of a monomial. The second type of expression that we will look at in this chapter is a binomial. So bi means two. Bi means two, which means binomial has two terms. Okay, so the examples of binomials are the expression a plus b and 7xy plus 2. Then we look at the next example, which is next type of expression, which is a trinomial. Now the word tri might be familiar to you based on the geometrical figure triangle, three angles. Similarly, a trinomial means an algebraic expression that has three terms. So an example of a trinomial is given here, where we have a, b and 2c, which are added together, three terms added together to form a trinomial. And then if we generalize the expression, a general name for an expression could be polynomial, so which means n terms, where n could be any number from 1, 2 and so on. So if you look at this 4x, well, this has only one term, but it is a polynomial. This is a binomial. Again, binomial is a special type of polynomial. And then here, if you look at this, a plus b plus c plus d, this has four terms, which means it is a, it has four terms. And similarly, a polynomial can have any number of terms. So our discussion in this chapter is mainly going to be about monomials, binomials and trinomials. And please note that all these three, monomial, binomial, trinomials, are a special type of polynomials. Okay, so the polynomial is the general name given to the types of expression which could have any number of terms.